In this lesson, we are going to review frequency adverbs. Frequency adverbs describe how often something happens. They help in expressing habits, routines, and repeated actions. Some common examples are always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Frequency adverbs show how often an action occurs. They tell the listener the number of times an activity happens. These adverbs usually come before the main verb. For example, she always wakes up early. When using the verb to be, the adverb comes after it. For example, he is never late. Understanding their position helps you build more natural and correct sentences. Let us look at what each frequency adverb means. Always expresses that something happens all the time, 100% of the time. Usually means it happens almost every time, about 80 to 90%. Often means it happens many times, around 60 to 70%. For example, she always drinks coffee in the morning, he usually goes for a run after work, and they often eat out on weekends. Now let us review the rest of the frequency adverbs. Sometimes means an action happens about half the time, maybe 40 to 50%. Rarely means it happens not very often, only 10 to 20% of the time. Never means 0%, it does not happen at all. For instance, we sometimes watch movies together, he rarely eats junk food, and they never smoke. The position of frequency adverbs depends on the type of verb. Before the main verb, say she always cooks dinner after work, or they often play football on Sundays. But if the verb is to be, the adverb comes after it, like he is never late for school, or we are usually at home in the evening. Following these patterns helps your sentences sound smooth and correct. Here are a few clear examples that show correct word order. She always studies after dinner. We sometimes visit our grandparents. He is often tired in the morning, and they are rarely angry. Remember, adverbs usually go before the main verb, but they come after the verb to be. Keeping this rule in mind will make you sound more fluent. Let us compare frequency adverbs by meaning. Always means something happens every single time. Usually means most of the time. Often means many times but not always. Sometimes means only occasionally. Rarely means almost never, and never means it does not happen at all. These words help you describe habits and routines more accurately in everyday English. Now it is time to practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct frequency adverb. For example, I blank go to bed before 10 p.m. or she is blank late for meetings. Some other sentences could be, we blank eat breakfast together on weekends, he blank forgets his homework, and they blank visit their grandparents. Choose between always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, or never. Practice allowed to strengthen your memory and pronunciation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.